radius. Now I'll show you how to use loft tool. So for that, I'll create a line here. I'll do lines and create a line. So you can create different types of lines by using these options that I showed you in the previous video. So what I'll do, I'll click on smooth and smooth, and I'll click a line. So I have created this line. Now I want to make it a solid line instead of the 2D version. So what I'll do is I'll go to this circle again, and I'll go to the compound object. Now I'll click on the loft. So I have already okay, let's just go back here. So I'll click on the line that I have created, and I'll click on the loft, and here it says get path or get shape. So I'll click on the get shape here, and then I'll click on this shape here, and that's how it's gonna become from 2D line to this 3D solid version. So it has become a bridge or a road, whatever you like to make it. If I go to modify, I have to click on loop. So it will change the shape step. So it's gonna change the shape as well. You can see here. So if you go to the shape, it's gonna become more smooth rather than so that's how you use the loft tool. And I'll go to the line. Here, that's the shape. It will go to the line here, and you select vertex. Then you can change by moving them the shape of the loft. You go here and you can move them, so you would be able to see how it's not affecting making that black shape anymore. So we need to solve this, so that's how you can solve it. You can always move points, or you can add some points as well. I'll show you how to use loft tool to make a bridge in my next videos. And that's how you use the loft tool. Yeah. Now I'll show you some different how to use loft tool in a different way. So what I'll do, I'll go to my lines, and I'll make a small circle here, and then I'll make maybe I'll make a star, and then I'll make a jump. So what I'll do, I'll escape, and then I'll select this palette. Now I'll go back and to the circle, and we'll select the loft again, and then I'll get shape, and then you can select any of these shapes. So that's how it looks like right now. And then if I'll go, you can see the path here. So if I press 4 and so what I'll do is I'll increase the path. So what it will do, it will move the point of your path. somewhere along somewhere at the path. And what I'll do is I'll select, it's already selected, so I'll go back to, okay, so I'll select this one again, and now I'll go back to your, can't select low anymore. So you can see how it has changed. So this point was here and now it's here. So that's what you do. So you go back and let me try this again. So I'll select this. Now go to the compound effect. And for some reason it's not letting me use the loaf tool anymore. So I'll just go back and make no changes. Let's try this again. So I'll click on this one here and helix, and then you can do low, you can do get shape. So I'll select circle. So now it's the circle. If I'll go and change it, so it has changed the path again. I'll make it somewhere, and then you can go to modifier. So we have already changed the path, so that's the helix. You can always go to helix and change the helix accordingly. You can change the radius, height of the helix. And then I'll select the helix. So since the path is still there, so we'll go to, and also you can do this when you go to, you can press the scale and this thing will come up, so you can change it. So you can see how it has become very thinner from at the edge, and it's going to be thicker along the way. So that's how you can change your helix. Now it has become thinner inside and in between of the helix, and thicker from the edges. So that's how you change the helix. You can rescale it. You can use twist, and you can twist it too. So it happened somewhere here. So that's how you use the twist and the other tools here. So that's how you use this one, and then you click back and go here, go to the low, and then I'll change the path. So you can see now when I'm moving this path, so my point, this yellow point, is moving along the path. So it's not just staying at the edge of the path. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to change the shape of my helix. I don't want it to be in a circular shape. Let's try if it's gonna work. So it's already selected. So I'll go back and get shape, and I'll select this one. So see how it is circle from the edge, but then it's has started to become a star from the ear. So it depends wherever you are going to keep your path is going. So it says 82%, so that's why your path has become star. So if I'll change my, now it's on 100%, so my end point is here. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll get shape, and I'll select niche on, and there's no, I don't know what's happening here, but I think, okay. So you select your loft again, and then you change it to 100%. And then you go back and get shape, and then I'll get shape. So see how it has become from star. It is star in between, but then at the edge it's in the midjourn, and at the other edge it's in the circular way. So that's how you can change the helix. You can go back to, you can always go back to twist and make it change it. So that's how it's gonna be. Oh, now I by mistakenly clicked on this one, so it has picked this shape. So now that's how your loaf look like. But yeah, that's how you can change your loaf, the shape of your loaf, throughout the pathway by clicking, by changing the point location of your loaf, and then clicking on get shape, and you can merge different kinds of shapes and create a different kind of loaf altogether. So that's how you use different modifiers to create interesting shapes here. I hope my video is helpful to you guys. See you soon.